Okay, hi. I'm back. I'm back with lots of dots. So here's the dot with the watercolor paint, with the wet on wet that dried up, and then with the wet on dry. And I'm going to show you how I'm going to turn my dot into a picture of something. So I'm going to pick this blue dot here that I made earlier, and I've looked at it for a while, and I'm listening outside my window. I hear lots of birds, and so this is inspiring me to make a bluebird. I saw my first bluebird the other day. So I'm going to start with, I could start with a pencil first and just kind of come up with my idea of how I want to draw my bird. So on the back of the body, I'm going to start with the back of the body. And simple shapes work really well. I'm drawing the wing, just curvy lines, the tail. Maybe wing showing up in the back, and some legs, and a beak. Okay, then I can take my Sharpie. If you're using a Sharpie on a table, you want to make sure you have enough paper underneath, so in case it soaks through, it doesn't ruin your table, whatever surface you're drawing on. And I'm just going to trace over my pencil lines now. I can change any lines at this time too before they become permanent. If you don't have a Sharpie, you can use a marker. There's an eye right there, beak. And then I want my wing to come into the head a little bit. I can do that this time. Maybe my bird is resting in a bird bath. And I'm going to draw some wavy lines for the water of the bird bath. Next, I'll color in my bird to finish it off. And I can add any other details, like a background if I'd like. I'm making sure to color in all the white space. And we'll speed this up. And I made a flower from the other dot that we worked on last time. There's the stem. All right, have fun.